Hi there guys, welcome back. I'm going to teach you how to make balloons. First off, you need to go to the elements, get hydrogen, one, boom. Then you need this. Then go here, press this, give a compounder, then okay, then get this, then get some dye. What any dye? My favorite color is blue, so I get blue. What else? Then you need helium. Okay. Then put this down. Boom. Boom. Okay. So you need 5. What is this? Okay, put that in. 5, just 5 of this. Then hydrogen. I need to spray out. Okay. So I need 8. Then you get this thing called
Compound Creator.
No.
Latex.
Yeah, latex. Yep. Then get a crafting table. Then put that crafting table down. Boom. Okay. So put helium in there. Put lead there. Put the blue dye there. Latex. There. And you get a balloon. Yes. You can get how many you want. You can get heaps. Then let's test it on a sheep.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
No. What did the sheep ever do to you?
But
Oh! That is cruel to animals, Zach. That is a wicked thing to do. I was not expecting that. How would you feel if you're minding your own business and that happened?
This one is kind of heavier, so it will take slow.
Can you shoot the balloon down and get the horse back?
Oh yeah. He's too far.
Can you shoot?
Oh. Yes I can if I want to. I can do it with a bow or a sword. If a sword. Okay. There. Okay. Let's test it on a pig and a...
What? Oh no! Run, little pig. No!
Yeah. So, I show you how to, if I get, a block, I think, or maybe a fence will do. Okay, so if I put a fence down or something, like that, then put, I guess, this, no, so if I, do this, See, a balloon. You can't break it with your hands, I think. So, you can do it with a bow or a sword, I think. Yes. Maybe. Okay. So, okay. About a bow then. I know you can do it with a bow, so a bow, I think. So if okay, I know you can do it with a bow. Pop. How funny is that, guys? So, look, a bow you can pop it with. Boom, pretty nice. So, that will be the end for this video today. I just discovered this today. Boom. I'm going to try one more thing. Okay? Just one more. About on an island, iron golem. Whatever they called. Golem. Okay. Let's test this on an iron golem. I'm sorry, bud, but for the experiment, okay? See, it's not working because he's too heavy, I think, guys. So bye. See you on the next video. Make some balloons. Like and subscribe. And bye.